Hello South Africa. 2 killed, multiple others injured in serious collision in Pretoria. 2 people were killed while 2 others were seriously injured in a serious collision on the R50 near Delmas Road in Gauteng. The accident happened on Friday morning, July 14th. According to emergency service, Ncwane, paramedics responded to the scene to find 2 crash scenes. Ncwane spokesperson Kyle Van Reenen said in the initial crash scene, 2 vehicles collided with one overturning. 2 people suffered fatal injuries and were declared dead on arrival of paramedics, whilst 2 others were treated for moderate injuries and taken to a nearby hospital for further care. Due to inclement weather conditions, a secondary collision occurred in the traffic backlog involving multiple vehicles. 6 people were treated for moderate injuries and transported by ambulances to nearby hospitals for further care, he said. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.